Good morning, my dear students of class 8th. I welcome you all to this new class of social science where we will be beginning with the new chapter of civics, which is understanding our criminal justice system. Now, children, this is my favorite chapter in the complete index of civics books of class 8. Why? Because we keep on hearing such kind of content and we keep seeing such kind of instances in our movies, tvs, everywhere. So when you will read this chapter and when you will understand this chapter, you will not get to know that something is not something is new to you. You will feel that these are all familiar to you, but you never notice these minute details, which we will be doing it when we will be understanding the chapter in a sequence way. So let us start with the introduction. I hope you all will be enjoying this chapter. Right? So understanding our criminal justice system. There are three parts in the heading of this chapter, children. For example, understanding our criminal justice. To understand what our country's justice for criminal system, what do we do to criminals in our country. So we will understand the complete criminal justice system. Whenever you come across a person who is violating a law, the first thing that might come to your mind will be to inform the police. Whenever you see someone doing wrong, what do? You just call police for the help. Then you might have observed either in movies or in real life, police officials arrest the accused person and file a complaint. We all are knowing this from our childhood. We have seen so many movies. In fact, 95% of the movies are having this content where a crime is witnessed, then police is filing a complaint, FIR and everything, right? So as the police tends to arrest the accused, it is mostly assumed that the police decides if the person is guilty or not. However, it is not the case. We always come to a conclusion that if we are seeing a movie and if a crime scene is witnessed, we will see that if police has arrested, whole assumption will be there that so and so person is guilty. But actually, it is not the case, children. Once a person gets arrested, the court is responsible for deciding if a person is guilty or not. The Indian Constitution states that a person who has been accused for any crime should be granted a fair trial. Children, when a person is being arrested, it is not that his or her life is gone for the judgment. The Constitution of India, guarantees that person a fair trial. A fair trial means the proceedings which go on in the court. Right? So this much is clear that to know these minute details, when a police arrests someone, it is not decided that a person is guilty or not. But when that fair trial goes on in the court, then the judge decides whether the person is guilty or not. Now, Article 22 of Indian Constitution states that if a person is arrested, it is his fundamental right to get defended by a lawyer. So, it is his fundamental right that he should get a lawyer who is going to defend that person. So, the Article 39A of Indian Constitution states that it is the duty of the state to provide a lawyer to a person in case the person is unable to afford one due to a poor status or disability. So when a person, for example, so and so person, for example Ram is being arrested for some robbery which has taken place into his master's house. Now Ram is poor since he was a servant in that house. How is he going to hire a lawyer to fight for him the case in the court? Then the government is going to give Ram a lawyer who is going to fight for him, who is going to have the fair trial in the court. right children? So the police along with the public prosecutor, defense lawyer and judge are the people who play a key role in the criminal justice system of India, right? So you should note down these three important aspects who are the most important ones in a criminal justice system: police, public prosecutor and defense lawyer, right? So that's all for today's class children. I will complete the lesson in the next class. I hope you have enjoyed today's class and the chapter is understood children. There is nothing new, we have been hearing these things, and personally I enjoy explaining this chapter, I enjoy reading this chapter. This is my favorite chapter because it is very interesting. There is nothing to get tensed about this chapter, right? So I will explain the remaining portion in the next class. That's all for today's introduction class. See you all in the next class. Take care, be safe, bye bye.